You take any line, suppose this is the line, suppose this line equation is, suppose this line equation is L ax plus by plus c equals 0. This is the line. Now you take 2 points. One is ax1 comma y1 and another one is bx2 y2. Both lies on the same side of the line. Or you can take the diagram like this. This one, either this way or ax1 y1 bx2 y2. The line is what? L is ax by plus c equal to 0. Right. Now you see, so from the above diagram, see for ax1 y1 and bx2 y2, for both the points, L is equal to what? Positive. From both the diagrams, L of x1 y1, L of x2 y2, both are positive or both are negative? Yes or no? So for this diagram, L of x1 y1 comma L of x2 y2, L of x1 and L of x2 y2, both are positive or both are negative? Yes or no? So both, because both lie same side, both positive or both negative. These are the only possibilities. So both positive, both negative means common condition is what? Product is always positive. If the 2 points lie same side of the line, then condition is what? Either both are positive or both are negative. Therefore, common condition is what? For above or below, both positive or both negative. Therefore, common condition is what? Product is positive. Positive, 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 negative, negative, positive. That's why, therefore, both are positive, both are negative. That implies the common condition is what? L of x1, y1 into L of x2, y2 is positive. So this is the condition for, both points lie same side of the line. For both points lie on same side of the line. Same side of the line. Now, next come to the next case. Suppose, so this is the line. Now here the point, suppose ax1 y1 is over here, and suppose bx2 y2 also this side, and cx3 y3 is another side. So now this line is what? L of x comma y is equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now what you do is, now with respect to L of x comma y, x1 y1 and x3 y3 are opposite side. x1 y1, x2 y2 are same side. So x1 y1, x3 y3 are opposite side. Therefore, for L of x1 y1 and L of x3 y3, the product is what? Negative, because one is positive and one is negative. Therefore, with respect to L x comma y, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, ax1 y1 and cx3 y3 are opposite side, are in opposite sides. Therefore, product is always negative in this case. L of x1 y1 into L of x3 y3 is what? Less than 0. So this is the condition for opposite side. This is the condition for same side. Condition for both the points lies on the same side. Condition is L of x1 y1 into L of x2 y2 is positive. Condition for both the points lies opposite side is product is negative. This is the condition for both the points lie on opposite sides. So this is the concept. Clear this concept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anshika, okay, Nama?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, we'll solve one question. Find whether 2, 1 and 4, 7 lies on the same side or opposite sides of the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the question. So solve this question. The given line is what? L of x comma y. L of x comma y is equals to 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. Now here coefficient of x is 2, that is positive. We calculate L of 2 comma 1. L of 2 comma 1 is what? 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 4. So that is actually we need not the output value, just it is enough to find whether it is positive or negative. But here we can calculate 8 minus 3. So this is positive only. Final value is not important, sign is important. Now L of 4 comma 3 is equals to 2 times 4 minus 3 times 3 plus 4. So which is 8 minus 9 plus 4, which is equals to 12 minus 4 comma, what I given 4 comma 7, sorry, not 4 comma 3. This is 7. Therefore, this is 8 minus 21 plus 4. That is 12 minus 21, which is a negative quantity. So therefore, L of 2 comma 1 into L of 4 comma 7, the product is what? One is positive, another one is negative, therefore less than 0. Less than 0 means what? Here L of x1 y1, L of x2 y2 negative, then this is the condition for both the point lies opposite sides of the line. Therefore 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 7 lies opposite sides or either sides of the given line.